G'day mates, let's talk about a feeling that a lot of you watching this video know all too well. You wake up, the alarm goes off and your feet hit the floor. But the knees ache a bit more than they used to. The back is stiff. You are 60 years old. You've been working hard, paying taxes and doing the right thing for 40 straight years. Your brain tells you it is time to slow down, but your bank account tells you a different story.
You look at your superannuation balance. You might have $300,000 or maybe $500,000. It is a good chunk of change, but you know the brutal math. If you quit your job today, that money has to last you until you're 67 just to get the age pension. If you stop working completely right now, you might run out of cash. So you sigh, you put your boots on and you go back to the grind for 5 days a week, hoping your body holds together for another 7 years. But what if I told you there is another way?
What if I told you that the Australian government actually has a completely legal cheat code designed specifically for this exact moment in your life? A rule that allows you to walk into your boss's office tomorrow, cut your hours down to just 3 days a week, buy back 2 days of absolute freedom and still take home almost the exact same amount of money you are getting right now. Today, we are talking about the Transition to Retirement Strategy, also known as a TTR. I am going to break down the honest, verified math. No jargon, no complicated banker talk. I will show you exactly how this works, what the rules are, and how thousands of smart Aussies are using it to take their foot off the gas without going broke.
To understand the cheat code, we first need to understand the rules of the game. Normally, the money inside your superannuation is locked away in a vault. You cannot touch it until you reach your preservation age and officially retire from the workforce. For most people turning 60 today, your preservation age is exactly 60. But what if you hit 60 and you don't want to stop working entirely? You just want to work less. This is where the TTR account comes in. A transition to retirement account is a special type of pension account. It allows you to unlock that vault just a little bit while you are still working. Basically, you contact your super fund and tell them to move a chunk of your money from your regular accumulation account into a TTR pension account. Once the money's in there, you're allowed to turn on a small tap. You can draw a regular income from your own super, paying yourself a salary alongside the paycheck you get from your boss. And here is the absolute best part. If you are 60 years old or over, the money you draw from that TTR account is 100% tax-free. The government doesn't touch a single cent of it. What you draw is exactly what lands in your bank account. Before we get into the exact math of how to use this to drop down to 3 days a week, I want to pause for a very important message. I want to step away from the spreadsheets for a minute because we just hit a massive milestone. This channel just crossed 500 subscribers and the views have been absolutely blowing my mind. When I started this channel a couple of weeks ago, I just wanted to share the brutal, honest truth about surviving the Aussie financial system. I wanted to cut through the noise. But what has happened in the comments section of these videos is better than anything I could have imagined. I want to say a massive thank you to the loyal folks who are showing up on every video. People like George, sharing his story about retiring at 60. People like Isabella, sharing the real struggles of being a 48-year-old teacher trying to make ends meet. People like Ron, a 71-year-old veteran, confirming that the math actually holds up in the real world. Your kind comments and your trust are what inspire me to sit at this table and write these videos. We are all from one community here. The financial industry wants us confused and the government keeps moving the goalposts. But here in this Aussie community, we will sort it out together. Because we are growing so fast, I want to make a promise to you.
Whatever problem you are facing, whatever confusing financial rule you want explained, ask for it in the comments. Tell me what your biggest headache is right now. Ask for the video you want to see next. It is my duty to help. I will read every single message and I will reply to everyone. Whether I solve it in a video or whether the other smart Aussies in the comments section chime in to help you out, we are here to help each other. That is what a real community does. Now, with that said, I must give you a very straight, honest warning.
I never want to spread lies or misinformation. The TTR strategy I am about to explain is a validated, legal Australian rule. But it is not a 100% one-size-fits-all solution. It is not a magic wand for every single person watching. If you have a very small super balance or complex tax debts, this might not be the right move for you, because drawing down your super early means you have less money later in life. Please, before you do anything, take this information, sit down with a registered professional and make sure it fits your specific puzzle. Deal? Alright, let's get back to the cheat code and look at the math.
Let's create a real-world example so you can see exactly how this works. We will use simple numbers to make it easy to follow. Let's say we have a bloke named Dave. Dave is 60 years old. He works full-time, 5 days a week, and he earns $80,000 a year before tax. When you strip away the income tax and the Medicare levy, Dave's actual take-home pay, the money that lands in his bank account to buy groceries and pay the bills, is roughly $63,000 a year. Dave is exhausted. His back hurts and he wants to spend more time with his grandkids. He decides to use the TTR cheat code to drop down to working just 3 days a week. Because he is only working 3 days, his salary at his job drops from $80,000 down to $48,000 a year. At first glance, this sounds like a disaster. Dave just lost a massive chunk of his salary. How is he going to survive? This is where the magic of the Australian tax system kicks in. Because Dave's salary dropped to $48,000, his tax bracket also dropped massively. The government takes way less tax out of his paycheck. His new take-home pay from his job is about $41,000 a year. But Dave still needs $63,000 a year to live comfortably. He has a gap of $22,000. So Dave contacts his super fund. He sets up a transition to retirement account. He tells them, I want to draw $22,000 a year from my TTR account. Because Dave is 60 years old, that $22,000 comes out completely tax-free. He does not declare it on his tax return. Let's add it up. Dave gets $41,000 take-home pay from his boss. He gets $22,000 tax-free from his super. His total income is now $63,000 a year. It is the exact same amount of money he was taking home when he worked 5 days a week. His lifestyle doesn't change. His budget doesn't change. But Dave just bought back his Thursdays and his Fridays. He gets a 4-day weekend every single week for the rest of his working life. That is the power of the TTR cheat code.
Now, because this is a government rule, there are strict limits. You can't just use a TTR account to pull out all your money and buy a sports car. Here are the verified facts you need to know. First, you can only withdraw between a minimum of 4% and a maximum of 10% of your TTR account balance each financial year. If Dave moves $300,000 into his TTR account, the absolute maximum he can draw out in 1 year is $30,000, which is 10%. The government put this limit in place specifically so you do not drain your retirement savings completely dry before you hit the age pension age of 67.
Second, you cannot take the money out as one giant lump sum. A TTR account is designed to be an income stream. It must be paid to you in regular instalments, just like a paycheck, either fortnightly, monthly or yearly. I want to quickly mention that working less is not the only way to use this cheat code.
Some Aussies reach 60, they actually love their job and they want to keep working full-time for another 5 years to build as much wealth as possible. You can use a TTR account to turbocharge your savings using a tax arbitrage strategy.
It works like this. You keep working 5 days a week. You tell your boss to salary sacrifice a massive chunk of your wage straight into your super. Let's say you sacrifice $20,000. Because it goes straight to super, it is only taxed at 15%. If you took it in your hand, it might be taxed at 32% or even 37%. You save thousands in tax immediately. But because your salary sacrificed so much, your take-home pay is now too low to pay your bills. So you open a TTR account and you draw a tax-free income from your super to replace the money you just sacrificed.
You are basically shuffling money in a circle. But because the money going in is taxed at 15% and the money coming out is taxed at 0, you are legally beating the taxman and keeping thousands of extra dollars growing inside your retirement fund. It is brilliant, but it requires a bit of paperwork and a chat with a good accountant to make sure you do not breach your contribution caps. At the end of the day, turning 60 shouldn't be a sentence to keep grinding until your bones give out. The Australian system has tools built into it to help you transition safely. The transition to retirement rule is not a trick. It is a validated, legal pathway to buy back your time. Whether you want to drop down to 3 days a week to mind the grandkids, or you want to boost your super balance before 67, the options are there if you know where to look.
But remember what we talked about earlier. Do not walk this path blind. Look at your own numbers, run the math, and ask for help if you need it. We are building something special on this channel, so jump into the comments right now. What is the biggest financial problem keeping you awake at night? What rule do you want me to break down in the next video? Tell me your story, and either I will reply or the legends in this community will jump in to help you out. Thank you again for 500 subscribers. Thank you for your trust. I'm the Retired Aussie. Have a brilliant week, and I'll see you in the next one.